Did you know that silent chronic inflammation is considered the real root cause of aging and disease? Experts say it's behind arthritis, heart attacks, diabetes, memory loss, and even premature wrinkles. Most people don't even realize their daily fatigue, constant bloating, or painful joints are not just getting older. They are symptoms of an invisible fire burning inside the body. The good news is that you can fight it naturally, starting with what you put on your plate. Today I'll show you powerful foods that reduce inflammation quickly and restore balance from the inside out. But before we dive in, here's something important. Many people also use a trusted natural solution that speeds up this healing process and helps calm inflammation even faster. You'll find the official link in the description and pinned comment. Welcome to Natural Health Secrets, where we reveal remedies and wellness habits that truly work. If you want to heal naturally, boost your energy, and live longer with vitality, subscribe now and hit the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Inflammation itself is not the enemy, it's your body's natural defense system. If you cut your hand, inflammation helps heal it. But when it becomes chronic, the same defense turns against you, damaging healthy tissue every single day. Imagine this: every processed meal, every sugary drink, every night of poor sleep fuels this hidden fire. Over time, it stiffens your joints, thickens your arteries, and even rewires your brain. You wake up tired, your knees ache when climbing stairs, your stomach feels heavy after meals, and your skin loses its glow. These are not random signs of age. They are signals your body is begging for help. The worst part is that modern medicine often offers only pills to mask the pain instead of addressing the root cause. But there's another way: nutrition that works with your body instead of against it. Let's look at the foods that science and tradition agree are nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation as effectively as some pharmaceuticals, especially when combined with black pepper for absorption. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they damage your cells. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3s that lower the production of molecules linked to inflammation and support brain health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards are loaded with vitamins and polyphenols that fight oxidative stress at the cellular level. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in oleocanthal, which acts like a natural ibuprofen, reducing inflammation safely. Nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, chia, and flax seeds, supply both antioxidants and omega-3s, making them a daily must-have. Garlic and onions with their sulfur compounds boost the immune system and reduce markers of inflammation. And green tea, high in EGCG, has been linked to reduced inflammation and improved metabolism. While these foods are powerful on their own, some people also combine them with a natural supplement that supports the body's anti-inflammatory response more deeply. You'll find the link to it in the description and pinned comment. Research is clear. Diet shapes inflammation. A Harvard Medical School study found that people who follow an anti-inflammatory diet reduce their risk of heart disease by up to 40%. Another study on the Mediterranean diet showed significantly lower arthritis pain compared to those on a Western diet. Turmeric, in particular, has over 12,000 peer-reviewed studies, many proving its effect on reducing inflammation and joint pain. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish have been linked to better brain function and reduced risk of depression. Even something as simple as replacing butter with olive oil has measurable effects on inflammatory markers. Cultures around the world have used these foods for centuries. From India's golden milk with turmeric, to Japan's green tea rituals, to the Mediterranean tradition of olive oil, these aren't new discoveries. They are ancient practices that modern science is finally confirming. Now picture this: instead of waking up stiff, heavy, and drained, you start your day with energy, lightness, and clarity of mind. No more swollen knees, no more feeling older than you are, just the freedom to move, to think clearly, and to live fully. That's the power of fighting inflammation at the root. By making small changes to your diet, adding these foods daily, you're not just treating symptoms, you're slowing down aging itself. Your skin looks younger, your energy returns, and your body heals naturally. And if you want to accelerate this transformation, check the trusted natural solution in the description and pinned comment. Thousands are already using it daily as part of their health ritual, with amazing results. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Natural Health Secrets and join our community of people healing naturally and living stronger every day. Remember, the official link is in the description and pinned comment. Try it today and feel how different your body can be when you fight inflammation the natural way.